Okay, in this recording, we're going to look at how to, we've finished basically making our EcoAmp design, and now we're going to look at doing the tool paths and getting it to the CNC machine. So, first thing you need to do is open up Fusion 360. With Fusion 360 open, what we're going to do is create a sketch. And the sketch we want to create it on is our bottom plane. So to do that, I basically turn my bodies off. We can turn that sketch off there too. On our base plane, we're going to create a sketch, and we're just going to draw a rectangle. The size of our CNC bed, 1200. You guys should be getting quite fast and effective at doing this now. So 1200 by 1200, create a point, and then dimension that point. 25 mil. Enter, and then creating a rectangle pattern. So we go create rectangular pattern. We want a rectangular pattern that point, basically out this way and that way. So we want to change this from extent to spacing. We want to make it 24 distance. We need it to be 50, 24 tab 50. Okay, so there we now have our CNC bed arranged, and what we want to do now is place our EcoAmp on that CNC bed. And we have two bodies for the EcoAmp, so we're just going to turn those bodies back on here, and what we're going to do is finish that sketch. Actually, don't finish that sketch. Let's go back into edit sketch, and we're going to go modify. Finish that sketch, modify, there we go, and we want to do an arrange. Now what we want to arrange is this body, which before we can do that we need to turn into components. So we're just going to create components from bodies. That's going to give us our two components here, and we're going to go modify arrange, and we're just going to take basically selecting the two components and then the envelope in which we want to arrange them onto, which I think there we go, sketch 10. Selecting that platform, and we can see that our EcoAmp is now arranged onto that bed. Now when we do this time, what we want to do with our spacing here is we want to have no frame width. So we're going to take frame width down to 0, and it's going to move our EcoAmp tight to the corner, and our object spacing here we want to increase to 20. It's just going to separate the two pieces of the EcoAmp, and then we can press OK. Turning off our original body. Those two components, and now we've got our two pieces of EcoAmp laid in position on our CNC bed.